I'm Joe and this is Macchou. Not here yet. Today's video came from a message from a wonderful viewer in America. Have you ever tried a deviled egg? They are a tasty treat that we have in the southern United States. It's more of an appetizer, but very nice. Simple to make. So let's make them. Not just one style though. I'm topping them with flavors from around the world. America, Laos, Scotland, Italy, China, Japan. My own take on each one. Full recipe in the description. My videos aren't really about recipes. I just hope everyone watching can live happily and feel at ease. Every day in my tiny Japanese kitchen, cooking food from around the world full of little discoveries. Today I filmed this while doing a live 2 hours and 40 minutes. My lovely viewer from Scotland was probably up past 1 a.m. And my American viewer was cheering me on the whole time, wondering what I'd create. Thank you so much. Let's continue cooking.
Macchou.
Finishing touches, let's top them. America paprika powder and dried parsley, the classic. Laos cilantro fish sauce, the viewer who suggested deviled eggs, also introduced me to Laotian cuisine. I still remember that beautiful aroma. Scotland cooked ground beef and butter. After my Scottish viewer first joined my live, I was so moved. I made a Scotch pie the next day. That buttery pastry and beef mince stayed with me ever since. Italy, cheese plus black pepper. My Scottish viewer also loves Italian pizza, so I imagined that. China, oyster sauce and chili pepper. 3 days of Chinese food in a row. That oyster sauce flavor really stayed with me. Japan, wasabi, nori, soy sauce. All my favorite aromas packed in one. Done! Let's eat! P.S. There's a box under my cutting board to angle the food better for camera. My Scottish viewer said it looks like a kotatsu. America, itadakimasu. The yolk is so creamy, mustard aroma, paprika warmth, not too spicy, just right. My very first deviled egg ever, introduced to me by you. Thank you so much. Laos, fish sauce on deviled eggs? Let's find out. Oh, it's amazing. Fish sauce just makes everything more delicious. That depth, soy sauce doesn't quite have it. A magic ingredient. Scotland, beef, butter, deviled egg, rich, warm, and so comforting. That buttery aroma always makes me feel so full and happy. Thank you for introducing me to that world. Italy, I love cheese. I forgot the olive oil. Still absolutely delicious. China. Oyster sauce, creamy egg yolk. This combination is outstanding. No wonder I made Chinese food 3 days in a row. Japan, yep, tastes like sushi, specifically tamagoyaki sushi. Oh yes, I know this taste. The wasabi had quite a kick though. I used to struggle with it, now I love it. Every single one delicious. Thank you for this idea. Still a little hungry. Let me try this on bread. Laos cilantro, Scotland beef, olive oil, the one I forgot earlier. This tastes like Vietnamese banh mi. World cuisine, infinite combinations, every single one a little miracle. 10 eggs today, definitely too many eggs. I'll pack the rest for my bento and share with my coworker at the gym tomorrow. They always say, Joe, open a restaurant already? Since starting YouTube, my coworker get to enjoy world cuisine too. I never imagined that would happen. Being able to connect with people around the world from my tiny little kitchen in Japan moves me every single day. Thank you for always sharing that with me. I just want you to live happily, gently, and at ease. That's why I make these videos. Your support means everything to me. I'll keep cooking and sharing delicious food from around the world. If you enjoyed this video, a like, comment, or subscribe would make me so happy. And if you have any requests, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Short videos, lives every day, long videos from time to time. Until next time, I hope your day is peaceful and happy. See you soon. Bye bye.